Hi, let me show you a few shortcuts I use every day. They should be echo, not cat. Jump to the beginning of the line with Ctrl A. Use Alt D to delete the word. When I'm done, I jump to the end of the line with Ctrl E. Ctrl L clears the screen. Python's read evaluate print loop also supports readline. As before, you can clear the screen with Ctrl L. Alt B will move your word backwards. And to jump forward, use Alt F. And exit quickly with Ctrl D. You can search the history with Ctrl R, which also works from Python and many other programs. Finally, to exit the shell, type Ctrl D again. Try to resist old keyboard habits and use these shortcuts instead. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.